Welcome to Harbin, a city where winter is not a season, but a way of life. Nestled in northeastern China, Harbin is a remarkable blend of Chinese tradition and Russian influence, a melting pot of cultures that has shaped its unique character. Here, the frigid temperatures don't deter the spirit of the people. Instead, it fuels a vibrant winter wonderland that draws visitors from around the world. Harbin is globally renowned for its grand ice and snow festival, an annual spectacle where the city transforms into an icy dreamscape adorned with intricately carved ice sculptures and dazzling snow structures. The festival is a true testament to the city's embrace of its frosty weather, turning the city into a living, breathing work of art. But Harbin is more than just a city in the snow. It's a place where history, culture, and nature intersect, offering a unique travel experience that is as rich as it is diverse. So pack your warmest clothes and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey through Harbin's frozen wonderland. Our first stop takes us back in time to the St. Sophia Cathedral, a silent witness to Harbin's vibrant history. Nestled in the heart of Harbin, this majestic cathedral stands as an enduring testament to the city's rich multicultural heritage. Built in the early 20th century, St. Sophia Cathedral is a remarkable example of Byzantine architecture. Its golden domes and intricate mosaics reflecting the cultural influences of the city's Russian immigrants. Its towering spires reach for the sky, a beacon of faith and resilience amidst the city's bustling modernity. This cathedral bears the echoes of a time when Harbin was a cosmopolitan hub on the Eastern Railway, a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. The architectural style of St. Sophia Cathedral is a testament to this era, its ornate details and grand scale harkening back to the city's early days. Over the years, the cathedral has weathered the ebb and flow of history, its bricks and mortar bearing the imprints of time. In the mid-90s, this house of worship was transformed into the Harbin Museum of Architecture, its sacred spaces filled with a treasure trove of historical photographs and artifacts. The cathedral's interior is a visual journey through Harbin's past, its walls adorned with black and white photographs chronicling the city's evolution. Each snapshot is a window into a bygone era, revealing the faces and places that shaped Harbin's unique cultural tapestry. From the grandeur of its facade to the richness of its collections, St. Sophia Cathedral is a symbol of Harbin's multicultural past, a tangible link between the city's present and its fascinating history. It stands as a silent sentinel, its towering spires a poignant reminder of the city's resilience and cultural diversity. Exploring the cathedral is like leafing through the pages of a history book, each corner revealing a new chapter in Harbin's story. It's not just a place of worship or a museum, it's a living testament to the city's vibrant past and its enduring spirit. A visit to St. Sophia is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into Harbin's fascinating past. As the sun sets, prepare to be dazzled by the spectacle of the Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. This isn't just any winter event, it's one of the largest and most celebrated ice and snow festivals in the world. Born from a humble tradition of ice lantern making and snow carving that dates back to the Manchu rule, the festival has grown exponentially over the decades. Today, it showcases the city's enduring love for the winter season and the creativity it sparks among its people. Every winter, Harbin transforms into a magical icy fairyland. The festival, often kicking off on the 5th of January, paints the city with a broad palette of icy hues. It's a sight to behold as artists from around the globe descend upon Harbin to carve intricate sculptures out of massive blocks of ice pulled from the Songhua River. But the festival is more than just an art exhibition. It's a vibrant celebration of winter activities. Visitors can explore the massive ice and snow world, an architectural wonderland built entirely from ice blocks. Illuminated by colorful lights, these structures, some as tall as 10-story buildings, cast a magical glow that can be seen from miles away. For those with a knack for adventure, there's the ice and snow sports world. Here you can try your hand at a variety of winter sports, from ice hockey to snowmobiling. And let's not forget the ice lantern viewing in Jiaolin Park, a more tranquil experience where hundreds of beautifully crafted lanterns light up the snowy night. For the culinary enthusiasts, don't miss the chance to warm up with a hearty bowl of guo bao rao, a local delicacy of sweet and sour pork that is sure to delight your taste buds. In this frosty playground, every corner is a photo opportunity, every moment a memory in the making. The Harbin Ice and Snow Festival is a testament to the city's love affair with winter, transforming the city into a magical icy fairyland. Escape the city's hustle and bustle and find tranquility in the heart of Harbin at Sun Island. This picturesque oasis, nestled amidst the busy urban landscape, is a haven of peace and beauty, offering a serene respite to weary travelers. Sun Island, or Taiyangdao as the locals call it, is a marvel of natural beauty. It is a place where the city's noise fades into the background, replaced by the harmonious symphony of nature. The rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, the gentle lapping of the Songhua River against its banks. The island's lush greenery and vibrant flower exhibitions in the warmer months are a sight to behold, painting a landscape of color and life that captivates the senses. But the island's appeal isn't limited to its natural beauty alone. Sun Island is also the proud host of the snow sculpture exhibition during the famed Ice and Snow Festival. Artists from around the globe descend upon this tranquil island, transforming it into a magical winter wonderland. The sculptures, majestic and intricate, are a testament to the artist's creativity and skill, each one a masterpiece frozen in time. Visitors are treated to this awe-inspiring spectacle of art and nature, a unique experience that blends the island's serene beauty with the vibrant energy of the festival. The snow sculptures, illuminated against the night sky, create a mesmerizing tableau, casting an ethereal glow across the icy landscape. But Sun Island isn't just a winter destination. Each season brings a new facet of its beauty to light. Spring ushers in a riot of colors with its flower exhibitions, summer paints a picture of lush greenery and clear blue skies, and autumn adorns the island in shades of gold and crimson. Sun Island offers a refreshing change of pace, a place where nature and art harmoniously converge. It's a testament to Harbin's rich cultural tapestry, a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're a nature lover, an art enthusiast, or just someone seeking a moment of tranquility, Sun Island awaits you with open arms. Our final stop brings us face to face with one of nature's most powerful creatures at the Siberian Tiger Park. A stone's throw away from the bustling city of Harbin, this park serves as a sanctuary for one of the most endangered species on Earth, the Siberian tiger. Also known as Amur tigers, these majestic creatures are a sight to behold, with their striking stripes and imposing stature. The park was founded in the late 20th century with a noble cause in mind: to protect and breed these extraordinary animals, whose numbers in the wild have dwindled to critical lows. Today, the Siberian Tiger Park is home to over 500 tigers, a testament to their successful conservation efforts. But it's not just about numbers. The park is dedicated to providing these tigers with a habitat as close to their natural environment as possible, a space where they can thrive and reproduce. Visitors to the park are in for a unique experience. Imagine seeing these powerful beasts up close, watching them frolic in the snow and hearing the roar that echoes across the park. It's not every day that you get to witness such raw, untamed beauty. And it's not just tigers. The park is also home to a variety of other animals, including white tigers, lions, and leopards, each with their own unique charm. But what sets the Siberian Tiger Park apart is its commitment to education. Visitors are encouraged to learn about these incredible creatures, their habits, their struggles, and the efforts being made to ensure their survival. It's a stark reminder of our responsibility towards the natural world, a call to action and a promise of what can be achieved when we put our minds to it. The Siberian Tiger Park is a thrilling end to our journey, reminding us of the wild beauty that lies just beyond the city's icy streets. Our journey through Harbin has taken us through time, across icy landscapes, and into the heart of the wilderness. We've marveled at the architectural grandeur of the St. Sophia Cathedral, a beacon of Harbin's rich history and diverse culture. We've been dazzled by the Harbin Ice and Snow Festival, where the city transforms into a glowing spectacle of frozen artistry under the starlit winter sky. We've found tranquility on Sun Island, a serene oasis amidst the bustle of the city, where nature and art intertwine in a symphony of seasons. We've also felt the adrenaline rush at the Siberian Tiger Park, coming face to face with these majestic predators in their snowy domain. Each location, a unique chapter in Harbin's captivating story, offers a different lens to view the city's vibrant tapestry. From the historical St. Sophia Cathedral to the enchanting Ice and Snow Festival, the tranquil Sun Island to the thrilling Siberian Tiger Park, Harbin invites you to embrace the winter and discover a world of icy wonder.